What's up everybody, Chris here from Bolt Canyon Outdoors and Gear America, and today we are going to put a new bumper on Connor's new Jeep, the 2007 JK. So let's take a look and see what we're working with. Alright, so here's Connor's new Wrangler, and it's got the factory bumper on it right now with the two factory tow hooks, which represent an open loop recovery system, which we don't like. So what we've got right over here from American Modified, we've got a new front bumper, which not only will hold a winch, the factory fog lights, a couple of extra light mounts, but it's got shackle tabs on it that are welded all the way through, so we'll be able to put some GearAmerica shackles on it and have a closed loop system. First things first, let's get the old one taken off. All right, first things first, when removing the factory bumper, we're going to take out this little cowl piece right here. This is just a piece of plastic held in with these kind of pop-in Phillips style clips, and we're going to take that out and discard it. Once those little pop rivets are out of that cowl cover, we can go ahead and loosen the 4 bolts on each side that hold the bumper onto the frame. To remove the bumper, you need to remove these 4 bolts. There's 2 on one side of the frame and 2 on the other side of the frame on each side. So once you remove those 8, the whole bumper assembly is going to come off. They can be a little bit tricky to get to, so take your time. With all 8 of the nuts out that connect it to the frame, you can lift off the bumper, but be gentle and only pull it out a little bit so you can unplug the fog lights. The fog lights have a little clip to unplug it, or you can just twist it and pop the bulb out like so. Now there are a few retainer clips here holding the wiring in for the fog lights, so we can pop that out real quick. With the fog lights unplugged and the wiring harness disconnected from their little clips, you can pull the bumper off and set it down. The factory bumper is now off, so we can remove the fog light housings, install it into the new bumper, and put the new bumper on. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the fog light housing out of the factory bumper. Now you can install the factory fog lights into the new bumper. With the fog lights installed, it's time to put the new bumper on. This can be a little bit tricky. You just have to line up the holes and slide it into place. Sometimes it's easier if you have a buddy, but with a little bit of wiggling, it goes in easy. Attach the supplied hardware on the new bumper, tighten it down, and you're good to go. All right, the new bumper is all installed, and don't worry about those foggy fog lights down there. We're getting a new set of headlights and fog lights from American Modified Off-Road shortly, and we'll go ahead and put those on, but that's for another video. Now for the last step. Let's get some GearAmerica Uber Shackles installed on those shackle tabs. All right, so there you have it. That is the American Modified Off-Road Winch Bumper for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler, and of course, the GearAmerica Uber Shackles. So the install's all finished. Next step, let's get this thing on the trail. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. And hey, do me a favor, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and ring that bell. That way you'll be notified next time we have a cool run, install, gear review, anything like that. For Gear America, Bolt Canyon Outdoors, and AM Off-Road, this is Chris signing off. Happy trails, everybody.